Now we'll solve question number 2 of exercise 4.2, in which the equation is 2x plus y equal to 7. We have to find 4 solutions of each of the following equation. So here you can write as y equal to y equal to 7 minus 2x, and accordingly you can directly find the value of x and y. If x equal to 1, that means this will be 7 minus 2 into 1, 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. Y will be equal to 5. If x equal to 2, then y will be 7 minus 2 into 2, 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Similarly, if x equal to 3, y will be 7 minus 2, 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So, like this, you will get 3 solutions. So, here you can also proceed like if x equal to 0. If x equal to 0 also, that means 2 into 0. 2 into 0, that is 0. Y will be equal to 7. Like this, you have to find 4 solutions. 4 solutions you have already calculated. Then suppose bit 2. Bit 2 is that pi x plus y equal to 9. Here when you'll this implies that y equal to 9 minus pi x. Then for situation 0, 1, 2, 3, when x equal to 0, y will be equal to 9 minus pi into 0 equal to 9 minus 0 equal to 9. So, x equal to 0, 9. One solution is 0, 9. Then second one more, when x equal to, let it be 1. When x equal to 1 means y will be equal to 9 minus pi into 1. So, अतएव 1, 9 minus pi is second solution. Then third solution, let x equal to 1. Let x equal to 1. Then let x equal to 1 is already done, minus 1. So y will be equal to 9 minus pi x, that means equal to 9 minus pi into minus 1, that is equal to 9 plus pi. So minus 1 pi is a solution. Then fourth solution, let x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Let x equal to 2. Y will be equal to 9 minus 9 minus pi x equal to 9 minus pi into 2 equal to 9 minus 2 pi. So 9 minus 2 pi is a solution. So like this, 4 solutions are. 4 solutions you have calculated. This is solution 1, 2, then a 3, and this is 4. Now bit 3. Bit 3 equation is x equal to 4y. X equal to 4y. So here y will be equal to x by 4 or x equal to 4y. Easily you can find the solutions. Like this directly also you can find the solution. So here y is smaller. So if y will be 1, x will be 4. If y will be 2, x will be 8. If y will be 3, x will be 12. If y will be minus 1, x will be minus 4. If y will be 0, x will also be 0. Thus 4 solutions are 4, 1, 8, 2, 12, 3, minus 4, minus 1, 0, 0 also. So this is a shortcut method. This method also you can use. Then fourth bit is not there. So now let us solve question number 3 of the same exercise. Question number 3 is that check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. So number 3 is that check which of the following are the solutions for x minus 2y equal to 4. So our x minus 2y equal to 4 is the equation. One of the solution is 0 to first bit the solution is 0 to. That means here x is 0, y is 2. We will put the value of x and y in LHS. If it will be equal to RHS, then we will say that yes, these are the solutions of the equation. So LHS equal to x minus 2y equal to 0 minus 2 into 2 equal to minus 4. So our RHS अतएव LHS is not equal to RHS. Here RHS is 4, so it cannot be a solution. So 0 2 is not a solution for the above equation. Now bit 2 given that check whether 2 0 is a solution. 2 0, so this means x equal to 2, y equal to 0. Our equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. LHS will be equal to x is 2 minus 2 into 0 equal to 0, but RHS equal to 4. अतएव LHS is not equal to RHS. RHS not equal, so 2 0 is not a solution for the above equation. Now bit 3 4 0. The answer is 4 0. This means x equal to 4 0. This means x equal to 4, y equal to 0. Our equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. LHS equal to x is 4 minus 2 into y is 0 equal to 4 minus 0 equal to 4. Here LHS equal to RHS. अतएव 4 0 is a solution for above equation. Now fourth bit is that root 2 4 root 2. This means x equal to root 2, y equal to 4 root 2. Then here equation is equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. X minus 2y equal to 4. LHS equal to x is root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2 equal to 2 into 4 root 2 equal to root 2 minus 8 root 2 equal to root 2 minus 8 root 2, that will be equal to minus 7 root 2. Like 1 apple minus 8 apple will be minus 7 apple. So this will be minus 7 root 2. LHS is not equal to RHS. अतएव not a solution. Now one more fifth bit. Fifth bit is 1 1. This means x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Our equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. This implies the LHS. We will write LHS equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 equal to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. LHS is not equal to RHS. So 1 1 is not a solution. Then so like this you can number 4 of this exercise, question number 4, that is also important. Find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1. X equal to 2, y equal to 1, you have to find the value of k. Equation is 2x plus 3y equal to k. That means you will put here in place of x you will put 2 and in place of y you will put 1 equal to x. This implies that 4 plus 3 equal to k. This implies that k equal to 7. So value of k is 7.